Hello guys, welcome back to Singanyas. Not only Kanchi, Banarsi and also party wear, we also have a lot of workwear sarees in different crafts and different designs. So let's get started. So the first saree is this tussar saree. As you can see, it's in almost like a greyish black color. And on the body of the saree, we've got this beautiful flower kind of design in blue color and grey color. On coming to the border, as you can see, we've got this red contrast border with floral jal design. This is how the pallu looks like. It's very beautiful, very grand. It's got a beautiful peacock design, almost like a kalamkari design. So this is a pen kalamkari saree. As you can see, it's got floral creeper design as well. And coming to the blouse, this is how the blouse looks like. Complete kalamkari design with floral jal design, and as you can see, this is how the border looks like. So the next saree is another tussar saree with floral print all over the body of the saree. As you can see, the whole body of the saree has got this big flower design in multicolors. And coming to the border, they've got small border with temple design and thread work, as you can see, in contrast color. Coming to the pallu of the saree, as you can see, this got a very unique kind of pallu in lines design, again in contrast color and lines. Coming to the blouse, we've got plain blouse with the same border as the saree. So the next saree is this beautiful cream color saree. As you can see, it gives kind of like a very royal, very pleasant kind of look. It's got very nice thread work in the border as well, and also in the body we've got small flower buttas. It's got a small border, so it is perfect for a workwear. And this is how the pallu looks like. The pallu has also got beautiful thread work and flower design. Coming to the blouse, it's got a plain cream color blouse with lines design and a small little border. So the next saree is this tussar saree, again in kalamkari print. As you can see, it's got floral design all over the body in multicolors. It's got big flowers in the whole body of the saree, and at the end, as you can see, this is how the border looks like. Plain golden zari border, and the pallu again is in golden zari, a small pallu. And coming to the blouse of the saree, we've got lines blouse in contrast grey color with same border as the saree. The next saree is this tussar saree. It's a very soft and easy to carry tussar saree. So the whole body of the saree has got this beautiful floral design. As you can see, this is how the body looks like. It's got a really nice colorful design, and the whole body of the saree is got kanta work in red and green thread. And coming to the border, it's got golden color border in circle design in red and orange. And similar to the border, we've got this beautiful mukesh work in the whole body of the pallu. Coming to the blouse, we got plain blouse with same border as the saree. Singanya's Ashadam sale starts. Get up to 50% off only on our website singanyas.in. Find Kanchi, Banarsi, Bandhani and many more. So the next saree is this bright yellow jute tussar saree. It's a very nice and very playful saree, I would say. So the whole body of the saree is plain, but the highlight of the saree, I would say, is the border. So the end of the border, as you can see, it's got this beautiful flower kind of print on it in multicolors. So it's a perfect saree for summer, I would say. And this has got a running pallu, and as you can see at the end of the pallu, we've got this beautiful flower design. And the blouse of the saree is plain blouse. It kind of gives like a classy effect. So the next saree is this organza saree. So if you have any small events in your work, I think this is a perfect saree. As you can see, it's got this beautiful floral weaving. The whole saree is in light pink and dark pink color, and the weaving is in golden and silver zari. The border of the saree is really small in golden zari. And coming to the pallu, it's got a grand pallu in complete golden zari, and at the end we've got this silver zari in floral creeper design. Coming to the blouse of the saree, it's got flowers in lines design in golden and silver zari, and the same border as the saree. So the next saree is this raw silk blue color saree. Again, it's a very young playful kind of saree. As you can see, in the body of the saree, it's got shades of blue in lines design. It's a very beautiful, it's a very unique kind of saree. It's perfect for work, and it's got a running pallu. And coming to the blouse, it's got plain blouse complementing the saree. So the next saree is a bandhani raw silk saree. It's in purple color, very nice shade I would say. As you can see, the whole body of the saree is got polka dots, and at the end the border, this is how the border looks like, and we've got red and cream at the end as well. Complementing the border, this is how the pallu looks like. We've got a lot of geometrical patterns, circles. So it's a very young looking saree, and if you see the blouse, it's got lines design in self color, and this is how the border looks like. The next saree, this is again little grand saree I would say, and a perfect saree for summer again. It's blue and yellow color saree, and we've got kanta work in boxes, checks design, and yellow color flowers as highlights in the whole body of the saree. And coming to the border, we've got this copper zari border, and coming to the pallu of the saree, it's got this shades of blue and yellow color, and in the middle we've got this beautiful floral creeper design in yellow and grey. We also have this very nice tassels as well. And coming to the blouse of the saree, we have got blue blouse with light blue design on it and copper zari border, just like the saree. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked all the sarees which I've shown you. But not only for work, we also have sarees for different occasions. And if you want to see more collections like this, you can subscribe to our channel. And for new collection, you can even follow us on Instagram or check out our website singhanias.in.